perfect time for a vacation break is coming near. Can you guys guess when? Of course, I get it. We all love summer. Summer is the best time for vacation break. The summer months are the ideal time to engage in any kind of activity. You can possibly do anything without worrying about the weather. You can travel as much as you wish or simply lounge about soaking in the sun. Summer is the season if you want to travel to Europe. The longer days in Europe allow you to spend more time outside. Whether you want to go camping in the woods, hiking in the mountains, participate in water sports, or just chill on a beach, you can travel anywhere and enjoy the nature at any point of time in Europe during the summer season. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Aslam from Pickyourtrail, where we talk about all things travel, for travelers, by travelers, from travel experts. This video is the part 1 of the destinations you can visit in Europe during the summer. In this video, we will list down the top 4 destinations you can visit in Europe during the summer. Number 1. Paris. Bonjour. Paris requires no introduction. The city of love is recognized for its architecture, food, culture, and fashion, making it a dream vacation for many. It is one of the best cities to visit in Europe, with the breathtaking Eiffel Tower cutting the skyline, cute cafes spilling onto the streets, fashionable designer boutiques, and vintage shops. Paris should be the first one on your list if you're planning to visit Europe. The best time to visit Paris is from June to August. Number 2. Venice. Venice in northeastern Italy is famous for its Gothic architecture. This city is wonderful because it combines culture and romance into 2 equal parts. This city is lovely because water shimmers from everywhere with canals replacing roadways. The palaces and churches represents the history of what was once a prosperous commercial center. Getting lost in the Venice lanes is part of the experience and the most enchanting way to enjoy the city. The best time to visit this place is from April to November. Number 3. Istanbul, Turkey. Despite not being the capital of Turkey, Istanbul remains to be the beating heart of the country. It is Turkey's most largest and populous city, and also the country's tourism hub. The magnificent structures of Hagia Sophia, Sultan Ahmad Mosque, and Topkapi Palace should be emphasized. Tourists prefer to visit Turkey in May because it's warm and not too hot. Are you a fan of trekking? Turkey has some beautiful scenery to hike around and click Polaroids. Don't miss out on hot air balloon rides, which is quite popular among tourists. The best time to visit Istanbul is from March to May. Number 4. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is well known for its breathtaking views, stunning sunsets, and weddings. The black, white, red beaches in Kamari is all well-known attractions. It has archaeological sites which include ruins from the Bronze Age. There are numerous possibilities to relax on the beach, enjoy a private boat excursion, visit a luxury spa, as well open-air eating on top of hilltops with exceptional views. The best time to visit is from June to September. What are you waiting for? This is the right time to start planning your summer vacation. Our travel experts are there to help you curate and customize your own dream itinerary to Europe. Check out our description for Europe tour packages link. If you thought our content was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.